In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. We people are living a life by earning the money, by spending the money, by trying to by buying the supplies through money. Money is very important. Money is very important. We are found pursuing one profession. We earn money from there and then we try to fulfill all the needs. Money is important. Money is important, and we people remain cautious, careful about the money we are possessing. We keep calculating about the amount of money we do possess now. What were we having sometimes back, and then we are eager, desperate to recharge the money. If at all we have spent, consumed money to fulfill our needs, then we are eager to earn it again. Not only that we want to earn that much money we have spent and consumed, rather we are desperate to earn more than that, maybe much, much more than that, because we don't like if the reserve money has gone down, if the assets have gone down. So this thing actually troubles us and troubles us a lot. It might create trouble when the money is gone, but it keep us psychologically troubled every time it is going down. It is okay, nothing wrong with this behavior and nothing wrong with this attitude. There is only one thing about which I wanted to speak now, and this one thing is that we have we have life. Life is gifted to us, and life is gifted to us by Allah in the shape of the days, in the shape, although there are hours and there are minutes and seconds, but the days are counted, that a year comprises 365 days, and etc etc. We have we have we have a limited number of the days, limited number of the life, and then even the limited number of the days we have to live here, and we are here on this earth now, because the time is days, the time has been the life is days, the life has given and gifted to us in the shape of the days, and we are not, unfortunately, as careful about our time, not as careful about our days as we are about the money we are possessing. Although the money is rechargeable, although that we are consuming, spending the money on the one hand, but at the same time we are earning the money on the other hand, and sometimes, or in many of the cases, the money we spend, the money we earn is more than what we spend. So the people are eager, the people are desperate to raise, not only to maintain, rather to raise the reserve of money, raise their assets, and raise their cash, the cash they are possessing in the shape, in the bank, and the assets which are there. So we are desperate to increase the money, but we are not desperate to increase the days, although it might not be possible, but at least we can do one thing, and this one thing is that whatever number of days we are possessing, we will be able to use it, and we will be doing our utmost to use it in the best possible manner, and not to do the useless thing, not to do the noxious and the bad things while consuming our money. Now, if at all we look upon the money, if at all the money is gone, I think only the money has been reduced somewhat from our balance, from our reserve. But if the time is being, if at all the days were used in a negative manner on a negative activity, not only that we have lost the days we have spent, rather our future life, the present future, the future of this life will be spoiled, might become spoiled, and the life hereafter might become spoiled as well. So it is very important, and very important indeed. It is very important, and very important indeed, to utilize the time we are possessing, the days we are possessing, in a very careful and in a very cautious manner. If we are not careful, if at all we are not cautious about our time, I think we are foolish. Why are we foolish? Because we are very careful and cautious about the money, and we should be cautious as well. We should be careful as well. I'm not suggesting that we should start spoiling the money. This is not what I'm suggesting, because it is something very much insane. But the trouble is, why we aren't that much careful and cautious about the time we are having, about the days we are having, because the days actually means life. Although the money is rechargeable, the money can be earned again, but as for the time is concerned, as for the days are concerned, we cannot earn it, we cannot enhance it, and that is why the time, the days, the life in the shape of the days, it is far more important, maybe 100,000 times more important, maybe 10,000 time, maybe 1,000 times more important, or at least 100,000, it at least 100 times, 1,000 times more important. So why not to be 100 times more careful about it, about the time we have got, about the days we have got. And that is why I think so, we must be very careful, we must be very cautious, we must be very respectful toward our time. It is the time actually which means everything, it is the time actually which means life. So, at least as far our today's discussion is concerned, we must make it clear that if at all we are careful about that money, it is okay, no problem. But we must be much more careful about the time we have got, because the money is rechargeable while the time is not rechargeable at all. The time cannot be earned, the more time cannot be earned. If at all 100,000 of the money has been spent, the person can earn 10 times more than it, even maybe 20 times more than it, more than what he she has spent. But it is not the case with the time, it is not the case with our days, because the even we will not be able to get a single extra day. That is why we must do our utmost to live our life, to spend our time, to spend our day in the best possible manner, in the best possible manner, and not to waste it, not to waste it in the negative activities, not to squander it here and there. Rather, we must be found doing the most important thing possible with our time. Obviously, our time will be utilized to earn the money, and it is okay. But not only the money, rather whatever time we have got, we should earn money as much as we need, and even more than that. But apart from that, we should be found using our time, our days, for the most precious thing possible, because the time is more precious, it is much more precious as compared to the money. Thank you.